How to sync Facebook friends on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. For this, you need to install your TikTok application in your mobile device. Then go ahead and launch your TikTok app. Make sure that you are signed in into your TikTok application. Now over here, to sync your Facebook friends on TikTok, go ahead and tap on the profile icon at the bottom. Now from here, tap on the three horizontal line at the top and go to Settings and Privacy. Then head over to the Privacy option. Over here, you will see the option Sync Contacts and Facebook Friend. You can click on it. Now over here, if the Sync Facebook Friend option is toggled off, you won't be able to sync your Facebook friend. So what you need to do is you need to toggle on this button that says Sync Facebook Friends. By this way, you'll be able to sync your Facebook friend on your TikTok. Isn't it quick and simple? So make sure to go ahead and give this a try, and we'll see you very soon.